Do you need a bit more light or joy in your life? Or maybe how about manifesting your desires or communicating with your guides? I have a perfect stone for you. Rutilated quartz, used during a daily meditation, can help expand your consciousness and enhance your meditative experiences by calming and stilling your mind and removing all distractions that are around you that kind of clog up our brains. Rutilated quartz aids in strengthening and improving your spiritual connection and communication. Wearing rutilated quartz jewelry is an effective way to connect with the stone's energy throughout the day. Through the power of intention, you can boost your spiritual creativity and amplify your thoughts to increase your ability to manifest what you want in your life. Carry rutilated quartz tumbled stones with you when you're on the go to help aid in stabilizing your emotions and strengthening your positivity, which helps you feel less overwhelmed in your daily life and daily stresses that may come up. In addition to wearing and carrying rutilated quartz, it can also be placed in your home, desk, or car to help infuse it with joy and happiness into one's life and surroundings. Now, to cleanse your rutilated quartz crystal, it is safe to run it under water since the most hardness scale grades it as a 7. You can hold it under running water to cleanse it. I do it about for a minute, or you can place it in salt water. I know a lot of people don't like to do it, but it is one of my preferred methods. Or you can use a different preferred method of smoke cleansing, soil from the earth, sound cleansing, or placing it underneath the full moon. It's really what you feel most comfortable with. Also, if you enjoyed this information, please remember to like and follow us and visit our website at newmoonbeginnings.com.